Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. But if you're new and if you've never seen me before, my name is Pam, and on my channel I make hair, beauty and mom life types of content. So if you like, please join the gang, subscribe down below. So in today's video I want to share with you guys 2 headband wigs that you can rock, and I'm just gonna get straight into the video. The wig that I have that I want to share with you guys is this 14-inch human hair wig. This is how it looks. I have worn it before, so I just want to show you guys like how it looks, like the texture and everything. This is how it looks, and it comes with the comb there to secure your wigs, and you know, like it actually has 3 combs on the front, and that adjustable strap there, and another securing, you know, comb over there. So I'm just gonna put it on so that I don't make this video too long, because you guys know I have so many headband wigs on reviews, like videos on my channel. So I will just link all of them like in the description box, so if you like you can check them out. So I'm just gonna put this on real quick and just show you guys how it's looking. So I already laid down like my hair, and this time I didn't want to do baby hairs. I was like, you know, sometimes you don't have to. Sometimes you don't have time, you know what I mean? So, but I wore like my wig cap inside, and that is totally optional. You don't have to do that. Just do what works for you, honey. Do what works for you. So I just want to show you guys the back. Like, I'll try my best to show you the back. So this is the adjustable strap. I'm just gonna strap it over there. Just place it there. Then boom, all done. So I push this a little bit like that in the back, and then it came with of course it came with the headbands, like it has these 2 headbands over here, but I'm not gonna like wear both of them right now. I'm just gonna pick something that goes with my outfit, which I probably do most of the times. But let's just see how this hair is doing. Honey, this is bomb. This is bomb. So if you like, you can go ahead and do baby hairs. I feel like right here already it looks super natural, and this wig, guys, it's so soft. Like, honey, give me that wig right now. I want it. I want it. So yeah, this is how this one is looking. Let's just try to put this cute little headband and see how it's gonna look. Like I said, you can rock it like this. This is totally optional. You don't have to add this thing, especially like when you don't want to give your head too much stress. Oh my god, guys, this is a 14-inch, and probably most of the lengths that I go for, like, looks so natural. Who is this? Who is this? Yeah, who is this? So this is the first one. I'm just gonna show you guys, like, if I put it like up here and see how the back is looking without too much pulling. Just gonna show you guys, like, this is how the back is looking. Do y'all see that? You can put a ponytail up there, but mostly I rock it like this. Like, honey, you are representing. Okay, so this is the first one. Like I said, this is a 14-inch Brazilian hair, and I'll leave the details in the description box like I always do. So you guys, if you have any questions, you can just, you know, hit me up as well on my Instagram. Like, I had a lady reach out to me to send her the link, which means maybe she didn't see the actual link in the description. But if you guys you know, feel like you want to purchase the same hair that I share over here, it's mostly Amazon hair, so I'll always leave the link. Even if it's not Amazon hair, I'll always leave the link in the description, so if you like, you can just go ahead and click that and it'll get straight into the website or wherever I purchased the wig. So yeah, this is the first one. Whew, loving it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so let's get straight into the second wig. So you guys, I'm gonna share with you guys the other 14-inch human hair headband wig. So this is the packaging that it came into. It says 100% human hair, and the company is over there. I'm gonna link it in the description box. So it actually came with these cute little things. I love this silk headband, which is so cute. Like, it's gonna protect your edges, and I love this one. It's like one of those that you just push all the way in the back. So I am gonna show you the hair. Oh my god, focus. This is how the hair came. I combed it out just a little bit, but the curls go back like to the popping, like they go back to the actual like curl pattern. So this is the curl pattern. I actually love it. Love it. Like, I just did that just to stretch them out. And as you can see, like, honey, 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 honey. Shading where? Shading where? Shading where? So as well, it has 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. I'm just gonna put it on so that we don't make this video too long. When I have curly hair like this, I usually do like a parting over here because I kind of feel like it makes my head a little bit, you know, big. Because I feel like I have a tiny head. That's besides the point. But this is how this hair is looking. Let me just go ahead and just fix it with my hands. You can go ahead and add spray if you like, but this is more natural, you guys. You guys should tell me which one is your favorite. So the details of this hair is, the color is black and it's 150% density human hair, and I think you can actually style it the way you like. But I love it like this. I think you guys by now know that I love big hair. And I'm just gonna push this a little bit in the back and add this cute little headband that came with it. Let's see how that's gonna look. Honey, 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 like, these are my go-to hairstyles right now. Like, I can't be bothered. I literally could never be bothered. So I'm just gonna show you guys, like, when it's dry, that's how it's looking. Do you guys like that? Love it. Focus. I love it. So like I said, you can go ahead and fix your your edges. That's totally up to you. So I'm gonna show you guys like also how you can just pull all this hair up here and, you know, just rock it. Just push it all up here. Maybe you're going in the gym and you just want something real quick to just pull up, like put it on and just get like straight to business. So this is how, wait, that's how it's looking. So I'm also gonna show you guys how the hair looks when it's wet. I'm kind of gonna show you guys like the wet look on this hair because I loved the wet look. Like, I was like, wow, honey, how is that even possible? How? So let me just show you guys that. So I kind of wet the hair a little bit, and can you guys see the curl pattern? Can y'all see that? So right now it's a little bit wet. So if I want to like enhance the curls more, I'm gonna use this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. It has pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, it just helps to activate the curls. I just put that like a little bit of this stuff, and I have already reviewed this on my actual natural hair on my videos. I'm just gonna link it up. Just gonna use like a little bit, like a little bit. So I just do that just to, you know, activate the curls more. But I love like the wet look on my headband wigs. Like if it has like a curl pattern, this is what like I normally love to see it do. So you tell me, you guys, which one you like. Do you like it when it's wet like this, or you would prefer to have it like have the big hair and just rock it like that? So this is the actual curl pattern. I feel like the wet look kind of brings out the actual curl pattern. Do you guys see that? So you can actually comb it out if you like, but I'm just gonna use my hands like that. And yeah, just part over here, and so that it flows like that. It just flows, you guys. You guys should tell me in the comments which of these two 14-inch human hair wigs that you would prefer. I love them both, but I feel like this one is giving me some Pam vibes. Like this is totally me. You know what I'm saying? Like, honey, I love the curves. I'm loving the curves. So yeah, this is just what I wanted to share today. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? Guys, that is it for this video. Let me know which wig you prefer in the comment section down below, and let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you guys are enjoying my headband wigs videos, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up this video, comment down below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.